How to use outfit codes in Roblox. So first, you just have to log into your Roblox account. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply look for a marketplace. And then kindly select that specific outfit that you wanted to try. But then again, let's just say that you can't find that specific outfit here, but you have saved the code of this outfit. Okay, so all you have to do is select any of the outfit here. For example, this one. But don't focus on this. You just have to go up. And as you can see here, we have the URL. But let's just focus on this number here. Okay, so this one is the outfit code. Now, what you're going to do is to simply delete this part. And if you have saved that outfit code, all you have to do is to paste it right here. So once you click enter or tap this blue link here, that outfit that you have saved that you cannot find in the marketplace will appear. Okay, and all you have to do is to simply buy this one. Now let's just say you're looking for another outfit again that you can't find here and you forgot the name, but you have the code, the outfit code. So again, you just have to go up and then delete this part till the number. Okay, delete this one and then paste the code here and then click enter or tap the blue URL link. And here it is. And that's how easy it is to use outfit codes in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.